I'm James Young, I'm the IS Director for CPA Global. Based in Jersey, I'm responsible for all the internal services and operations that deliver technology to CPA Global. So CPA Global are the world's leading providers of intellectual property management software and services. We develop software that customers use to manage their intellectual property, as well as provide professional services to global businesses. So the IP platform is CPA Global. It's all of our services and product offerings all shrink wrapped together. We've had 26 different applications. A lot of them have had their own portals for the customer. So when a customer wants to do business with us and they want to engage with us over patent renewals or trademark renewals, they've had different portals to go through, and it's incredibly complicated and confusing for the customer. So what we wanted to do is say, we're able to give you one portal where you can interact with CPA and you can do all of your services, you can communicate with us or any of our suppliers that we use through one portal. That will only build and grow for us and allow our customers to be able to see all the products and services that we offer in the future. So one of the biggest challenges that we had was taking 28 years worth of data, putting it into the cloud and letting customers understand it. The source system that we had doesn't understand customers, just understands the data that it has. So the challenge has been getting all of that data up into the cloud, making it performant and allowing our customers to access it so they can manage their information that we store. What I found with New Signature is that the reality is that we didn't know what we wanted for the support for the IP platform on day one. And what we wanted was an organisation that's able to adapt and to change with us and to allow us to be agile and to be able to say, we know that this is what you asked for on month 1, and on month 6 we want something slightly different, and to evolve with us. And New Signature have dealt with that extremely well, and that's predominantly the reason why we chose them. So we run the first level support through our own internal customer engagement teams, and we do that globally. And then New Signature have slotted in incredibly well as the second level support. So anything that the customer engagement team can't do, then New Signature manage that from a second level. They also provide third level for some of the Azure components, and they work with some of our third parties who's developed some of the components that we use. New Signature provide all the monitoring and alerting and performance management for the system as well. So we're able to make sure that we can maximise the availability and uptime, which obviously keeps customers very happy and keeps our outages and incidents low. We have a clearly defined software development lifecycle whereby the team develop all of the code and they unit test, and then New Signature are responsible for the deployments into pre-production and then into production. One of the benefits of New Signature was the fact that it's a 24/7 support contract and agreement. So we're driving to pretty heavy SLAs as we've got customers that are all over the world, and there isn't a right time to have an outage or downtime, and New Signature are accommodating and work well with that. And I think that's one of the great success stories of this project. We still need to make sure that it is as fast as it can be and as adaptive as it could possibly be. And so we run a continuous improvement program with New Signature to make sure that we learn from any outages that exist or any issues that pop up. Through the monitoring, we're then feeding that back in and understanding is there anything that we can do better that will help us provide a much better service for our customers in the future. And that works extremely well. So New Signature helped us deliver one of the first big projects that we've successfully delivered in the last 15 years. And they helped us to deliver that on time and on schedule. And the response from the customers has been great. And that will only improve and increase going forward. We've got new products and apps coming within the IP platform over the course of the next 6 to 12 months. And we're heavily reliant but very excited about the relationship that we're building with New Signature to be able to help us deliver these going forward. If I think about the project and how it's been run, and I think about my day-to-day involvement in it, I was really confident that the team, the wider team, as well as New Signature, were able to deal with any of the technical problems that cropped up from time to time, as they did, and that were able to overcome it. So I had absolute faith in the ability that the team had, and that day-to-day I knew the project was moving forward. I think one of the great things that we've done is been really open and honest and collaborative with each other. And I think that clear communication at different levels of the organisation is probably what helped the project to succeed.